Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a Lancôme base makeup look using my favorite holy grail #1 foundation, the Lancôme Tilted Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I have the shade 455W, and I'm going to be using the concealers from the same range, the Lancôme Tint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealers. I have the shade 460 for my skin tone shade and 420 for my highlighting shade. So I have already primed my face with this Sheglam Birthday Skin Primer. So let's get into color correcting. Orange color corrector for hyperpigmentation around my mouth. For my under eyes, I'm going to use the Lancôme foundation, Lancôme concealer. Foundation, I have the shade 455W like I said. I'm going to use 2 pumps for this foundation. So I started using this foundation in 2023. And initially I was shade matched with 450W at the Lancôme counter at Edgar's, but after I bought it and wore it for a couple of times, I felt like it was a little bit too light. Like in the winter I could get away with it, but in the summertime I had to like finesse it so I could work with it. But anyway, after I finished that bottle, the second bottle I bought the shade 445 Neutral. That one was a okay shade match, but it was a little bit too orange, and I had to mix it with my LA Girl blue pigment just to neutralize some of the orange in the foundation. And then my third bottle, which is the one I'm using now, 455W. This one I feel like it's as good of a shade match as I will get. It still pulls a little bit golden, but I feel like I can get away with it summer and winter. And I feel like this is as close to a shade match that I will get in this foundation, and based on the current foundation range. Shade range, sorry. This is a really nice lightweight foundation. It leaves a nice natural soft matte finish on the skin. Super ultra lightweight. I get the most compliments on my makeup when I have this foundation on because it just looks so natural. Like, I don't know how they did it. It's like a medium to full coverage, super natural looking. Like, I don't know how they did it, but it always looks so natural. Just really nice. Really love it. And it is transfer proof. Like, now in the winter time when we have our scarves up to our chins, moving your hair around the whole day, when I come back from work and I take off my scarf, that scarf is clean. Okay, that's what sold me. The first winter when I wore this foundation and my scarf was clean when I came back from work, I said, you are holy grail status. I already loved it because of how lightweight and natural it looked, but that transfer proof claim, it sold me. It sold me immediately. Also, it has SPF 35, but you should always wear your regular SPF. Don't depend on the SPF that's in products. But yeah, if you're interested in that, it does have SPF. But yeah, this is literally my #1 holy grail will always repurchase this foundation because it's just so, it's so gorgeous. I mean, look at the skin, stunning. Like, you can wear this, literally you can wear this for your wedding, for work, for every day, for event. Like, girl, I mean, look, stunning, stunning, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And it has no scent, so that's also another thing if you're interested in that. It literally feels like I have nothing on my skin right now. To the concealer, I'm going to highlight with 420. These concealers are also very lightweight. They give a nice natural matte finish, and they blend right into the skin. As you can see, this highlight looks very, very bright, but once I blend it out, it's gonna look natural, just like the foundation. Like, it's I don't know how Lancôme does it, but they're good. They are so good. Really, really nice lightweight concealer. Also has, you can build the coverage as well. While the concealer is drying a little bit, I'm gonna bronze with this Chanel cream bronzer. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with this Chanel cream to powder blush. This is this shade Rouge Franc. Nice red shade. It's like an orange red. Yeah, really, really pretty. How flawlessly that just melts into the skin. And it doesn't dry out my under eyes. I have dry under eyes. This one feels light and comfortable. See how that highlight just melted. Like I said, you can definitely build it up, but for like a natural everyday kind of look, this is enough for me. Do you ladies own this foundation? Do you like it as much as I do? I actually do love it as much as I do. If you don't own it, what is your holy grail foundation? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush just to blend out the edges. See how naturally it just melted into the skin. Love that. I'm gonna go back in with the brush I used for set this highlight with the Essence Brightener powder. And then for loose powder, I'm going to use the Sheglam Baked Glow Setting Powder. I have the shade Cappuccino. So this is what the base is looking like. So good. Flawless, natural looking, medium coverage. So I'm going to bronze, powder bronze with this YSL bronze. I have the shade 05. I have normal skin, by the way, so the only place of concern for me is my smile lines creasing and my nose getting shiny after about 8 hours, which is what happens with this foundation. It doesn't excessively crease in my smile lines, but I do get a shiny nose after about 8 hours of wear. But everywhere else it looks exactly the same. It wears really, really well. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my look and I will be back. Okay girlies, so I'm back with eyes done, lips done. Let me tell you what my lip combo is. I used these Maybelline Superstay matte ink lipsticks to line my outer lips. I used this one, 50 Voyager, and to fill in the lips I used the shade 20 Pioneer. That's what Pioneer looks like. So what do we think about this base, Lancôme base look? I didn't set the foundation because I wanted you all to see what she gives, you know, in her natural state and set. Really, really gorgeous. Like I said, you can wear this literally anywhere, anytime. It is amazing. So tell me down below, tell me in the comment section down below, do you own this foundation? Do you love it just as much as I do? What is your holy grail #1 foundation that you will always repurchase? Otherwise, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Please subscribe for more content and take care, you all. Bye.